Hello friends, welcome back. Here is one more video related to TCS Digital Elevate Wing 1. In this video, we will discuss coding questions that were asked in retest of Elevate Wing 1 which was held on 20th of February. And I will explain these questions with logic that is to be used to solve these questions. So let us start with our first coding question. And there was a coding question from array. And in this question, it was given that on first place there should be 0 and on second place also there should be 0. And after that, odd places should have odd numbers and even places should have even numbers. In case of odd numbers, it should start from 1, and in case of even numbers, it should start from 2. But please keep one thing in mind, that numbering in array start from 0 instead of 1. So odd places of array will be even number, even places of array will be odd number. For more clarification, your series will be like 0 0 2 1 4 3 6. Because it is given on first place there should be 0 and on second place also there should be 0, and on even places it should have even number. So 0 1 2, so this is even place, not odd. So this is the only thing that you should keep in mind, that don't be confused that this is third place so it will be odd place. No, this will be even place because numbering has started from 0. So this will be your series, and in this question you are expected to print this series, and n is the number of terms that are to be printed in the series, and n should be greater than 1 and less than 100. So you may be asked to print this series from 1 to 99. User may enter any value of his own choice. So the logic that you should follow to solve this question is that for first and second place just give 0 as output, and after that for even position just print the value of n, because here it is clear that this is 0 position, this is first position, and this is second position. After that it is fourth position, it is sixth position, and this pattern will be followed till last. So just print the value of n on the nth position in case of even, and for odd positions just print n minus 2. Let me explain this. This is 0 position, this is first position, this is second position, this is third position. So for third position you have to print n minus 2, that is 3 minus 2, so it will be 1. And this is fifth position, and for that n minus 2, that is 5 minus 2, it will be printed as 3. So there may be multiple methods to solve this question, but this was the most easy that you can follow to solve this question, and this method will help you to save a lot of time. I hope you will like this method. Now coding question second. So in this question you were asked to take two string as input, morning and bring, and you can perform few operations like add alphabet, remove alphabet, replace alphabet, and make the first string equal to second. You had to make this string morning equal to this bring. You have to convert morning string into bring. So in this question you were asked the minimum number of steps that are required to convert morning string into bring string. So step first, remove m. So you had to remove this m from this string, and second step, remove n. You had to remove this n from this string, and step third, replace o with b. So you have to replace this o with b. So this string will be converted into bring, b r I n g, because these m and n are already eliminated, and this o is replaced with b, so this will be converted into bring. So your answer will be 3 steps. You have just taken 3 steps to convert this string morning into bring. And I hope you have done both these coding questions, as these coding questions were very easy as compared to the coding questions that were asked on 28th of January. And if you have done so, you have very good chance to get selected in TCS Elevate Wing 1. So start preparing for interview, and I will upload the video for the same very soon. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe this channel IT India. And if you want the complete solution for this coding question, I will upload the same. Please comment for that. So guys, thanks once again.